Hello, this is the sales department. Jane Solomon speaking.
Hello, is Maria Fernandez there, please?
No, I'm sorry. She's not in the office at the moment. She's on her lunch break.
Oh, could you take a message, please? Could you tell her that Peter Griffin called?
Sure. Could you give me your number?
It's 07460 990 188.
Thanks. That's 07460 290 128.
Sorry, no. It's 07460 990 188.
990 188.
Yes. Please ask her to call me back and tell her it's about the PXO project. I need the new project figures.
The PXO project. Right. I'll give her your message when she comes back to the office.
Thank you. In case I'm in a meeting when she calls back, can I give you my email address too?
Of course.
Great. It's peter.griffin@fresh.com.
Can I read that back to you?
Sure.
That's peter.griffin at fresh.com.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, I'll tell her you called.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.